Wosley, you can unmute yourself. Open the floor.
The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no sleeping or laying down, no eating or drinking, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until you are addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Is it Sheenan? Sheenan Wosley?
It's pronounced Shannon.
Shannon, okay. All right. Can you turn your phone up anymore, Mr. Wosley?
Is that any better?
Yeah, I just want to make sure we're able to hear you, okay?
Okay.
Just speak loudly.
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Shannon Wosley. This is ticket number P742299. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P742291. 1 count drove while license not valid or improper. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Daniel Wazak. My bar number is P35225. I appear with Mr. Wosley via Zoom. We will waive in-court presence. Mr. Wosley, will you tell the judge your name, please?
Shannon Wolves.
Your Honor, I have discussed with Mr. Wosley his rights for trial and all the rights that go with a trial. There is a city offer on their tickets to amend count 1 to improper plates, dismiss count 2. There is, however, a third ticket issued under state authority, and that prosecuting attorney apparently is not present this morning. As an officer of the court, I would represent that it has been my experience that when a defendant chooses to plead guilty to a ticket under city jurisdiction, the state, if it's only 1 or 2 matters, routinely will dismiss per city plea. At this juncture, Judge, because the prosecuting attorney is not present, I am going to make a motion to dismiss that third ticket based upon my representations to the court.
Okay. And the court is going to do that on today, Attorney Wazak, in order with the plea to the 1 count of improper plates. If he wants to take that today, the court will dismiss the state count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, as well as the no insurance misdemeanor today.
Thank you, Judge. Just so you feel better about it, the ticket that I've requested you dismiss was he did not have the proper supervision on his driving permit when he was stopped, and that has now all been corrected. So I would have anticipated, on the other hand, the state would dismiss based on proper documents. He would have 2 bases then, Judge. So just to make you feel good about granting my motion, I appreciate it.
No problem. All right. Was he able to produce insurance today then or no?
No, Judge. Following this incident, he sold the car to another individual.
Okay. All right. So do you want to take advantage of the offer today, Mr. Wosley?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor. I swear.
You can put your hand down. Sir, did you have an opportunity to talk to Attorney Wazak in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
I do, Your Honor.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of October the 30th of 2017. At that time, did you own a Ford vehicle and were driving it in the area of Evergreen and McNichols in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And while you were driving it, did you not have a valid license at the time?
Judge, I believe the charge is, oh, that's right. I'm sorry, I interrupted. I should not have.
It's okay. Did you not have a valid license at the time?
No, I did not.
Satisfied, Attorney Wazat?
I apologize again, Judge, and yes, now I'm satisfied.
All right, and is there a stipulation for probable cause and the remaining counts to be dismissed?
We do stipulate, thank you.
So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge of improper place. This is a better charge, so that way it doesn't affect your ability to keep your license, okay? And it has no points, okay? And the court is going to dismiss the other 2 counts. Sir, you said you stole the vehicle shortly thereafter.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, are you currently employed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, if I assess a fine in the amount of $200, how long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
He has bond posted, Judge. He has $900 in bond on these 3 tickets altogether.
Okay, so the court can take the money out of the bond. Any reinstatement fees are to be taken out of that bond money, and the remaining amount is to be returned. Did you post that bond, Mr. Woolsey?
Yes, Your Honor.
The remaining amount of money is to be returned to Mr. Woolsey. So we're gonna have your bond applied to this ticket, the $200 fine, and then any reinstatement fees. Those are fees owed to the Secretary of State's office. You wanna make sure those are taken care of, because they can affect your ability to get your license and renew different things. But the remaining amount of money should be returned to you, as long as you don't have any other outstanding tickets. Do you know if you have any outstanding tickets in the city of Detroit?
I don't.
Okay, all right, so hopefully that remaining amount will be returned to you, okay, sir? If you want to expedite this process, I would suggest to you to come down to the court to be able to handle it and let them know that you want your bond applied to this ticket and it's fine, and it helps speed up the process a little bit more. They still have to mail out the refund, but at least it'll speed up the process a little bit more, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
You
Good
have a
luck,
good
Mr.
day.
Woolsey. Take care.
Hope you have anybody else.
I don't think so, Judge. It's like 9:30. I think it's all right.
And see if anybody else checks in, just to give a little time.
I'm absolutely good with that. No trouble at all.
All right, we'll give them 5 minutes. If no one checks in 5 minutes, then we'll sign off.
Understood. I'll be patient.
Okay, thank you. All right, that concludes this morning's docket. Everybody's free to go. Have a great day.
Hey, thanks. You too, Judge. Take care.
All right, Judge, thank you. Thanks for a good day.
No problem, of course. Fantastic Thursday. Have a good day.
Oh, remember, I won't be in tomorrow
Okay.
and
Make sure.
Monday and Tuesday
Okay.
I'll be for the funeral.
All right. Thank
Right,
you for the
see?
reminder.
Okay.